What's up, guys? Today we are here with my 2019 Silverado. We ran into a little issue, nothing major, but I don't drive this truck every day, and people say, oh, you don't drive your vehicles, they start to break. Well, I went to put gas in it, and the fuel door just decided to do that. Apparently this is quite a common issue on Silverados, and I imagine probably Sierras as well. So I went to the dealership and I got a GM genuine new fuel door unit for a whopping $36.43. Because what happens is there's a little spring inside of here, and I believe the little tab breaks off. So I'm just gonna do a quick DIY video on how to replace this. All you are going to need is a hammer. Probably don't even need a hammer. You probably just use a screwdriver to pierce through. This is a one-time use part. You can't take it out and do that. You kind of have to destroy it to take it out. So I'm going to get set up and show you guys how to replace this. All right, so first thing we're going to do, your fuel door here, this just slides right out. So you can see all these locking tabs on here. Those all clip into parts on the door on the front. So take that off. It's a good time to clean this up while you're at it. So then on here we have these 4 little indents, one right here, here, and here. What we're going to do, we're going to take our screwdriver and you're going to pierce through. That's a lot easier than I expected. I grabbed the pick just in case, but it seems like we're not going to use that. Pierce through. Same thing on the top. And here. So now that's not going to come out, of course. So this, when you poke through, this depresses some tabs like that. So here is our old one. So when you break through, it depresses these tabs, allowing it to release. So this actually, trying to see what wrong. So here's this. So that actually just came off. But it seems as if the hinge actually became completely separated from the old one. As we can see, here's the new one. And that moves that. The old one was not actuating at all, so I believe the shaft that runs along in here that connects the actual door to the hinge broke off internally. So while we're in here, we're just gonna clean this real fast. These little crevices get all sorts of gunk built up in here. I know you detailers are probably gonna fucking lose your minds. I don't care, it's a truck. You're lucky I'm even fucking doing this in the first place. That is nice and clean. Probably the cleanest part on the whole truck. Then our new door. So new door stays open and closed. You're just going to angle this in here like so. Your fuel, and you're going to have to, here, let me move this over. Let's set this up. So the fuel filler neck has to go around like that, so you just kind of have to do that. It'll go over. I believe this already popped into place. So nice. And new door pocket. And then, all right, so we gave our fuel door a quick wipe down on the inside. So then we are just going to take this, line up your tabs like so, and then you'll hear it lock on, and boom, you have a working fuel door again. And again, this part was only 36 bucks, and that was at the dealer with no discount, no nothing. Just walked in and got it. This is your part number. That is all you need. So it's a very inexpensive and very easy repair to do at home. So quit giving dealers your money for stuff like that. Just order it online and do it yourself. That'll do it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and if this helped some of you guys out, be sure to give a thumbs up and a subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment on anything you guys want to see next. Catch you in the next one.